Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to cut out text from a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and click the shape. I already choose the shape. Select the shape color green. Stroke. I do not use stroke. Then hold shape. Click and drag on your mouse. Okay. Then edit the shape. Right click. Convert to smart object. Again right click. Rasterize layer. Then create again new layer. Click the text. Right click and type text, type anything. Press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, align middle. Okay, then hold Ctrl, select the text selection and click the shape, create a layer mask. Press hold Ctrl, press I. Right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer. Now see this, cut out text from a shape. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.